Here's a 12-15-minute YouTube video script based on your AI Wealth Creation Blueprint. AI Wealth Creation Blueprint: 10 ways professionals over 40 can build income. With AI introduction. Hello everyone, this is Roxana Ezenekwe. If you are over 40 and wondering how to position yourself in the AI economy, this video is for you. Most people are using AI to save a few minutes each day, but smart professionals are using AI to build assets, businesses, and new income streams. The truth is this: you do not need to be a programmer. You do not need a computer science degree. You do not need a large team. What you need is experience, knowledge, and a willingness to learn. Today, I am sharing my AI Wealth Creation Blueprint: 10 practical ways professionals over 40 can build income using AI. Let's get started.
Hello, professional women over 40. This is your season.
Number 1. Become an AI education influencer. One of the fastest growing opportunities is teaching people how to use AI. Millions of people are curious about AI but do not know where to begin. You can create YouTube videos, podcasts, LinkedIn content, tutorials, newsletters. If you can learn a tool, you can teach a tool. Remember this: people do not pay for information, they pay for clarity. Number 2. Offer AI workshops and training. Schools need AI training. Churches need AI training. Small businesses need AI training. Non-profits need AI training. Most organizations know AI is important. Very few know how to implement it effectively. This creates an incredible opportunity for educators, trainers, consultants, and speakers. You can offer virtual workshops, in-person training, webinars, and coaching sessions. Number 3. Create AI digital information products. This is one of my favorite opportunities. Use AI to help create eBooks, checklists, workbooks, templates, journals, planners, online courses. The beauty of digital products is simple. You create them once and sell them repeatedly. This is how knowledge becomes an asset. Number 4. Build AI faceless video channels. You do not have to appear on camera. AI can help you create scripts, voiceovers, graphics, slideshows, video content. Many successful YouTube channels operate without showing a face. Educational content, finance content, motivation content, and AI content continue to perform exceptionally well. Number 5. Affiliate marketing for AI tools. Every day, new AI tools are entering the market. Many offer affiliate programs. When someone purchases through your referral link, you earn a commission. This can be a powerful way to generate income while sharing tools you already use and trust. Simple, scalable, beginner-friendly.
Hello, professional women over 40.
Number 6. Launch an AI community. People are looking for support. They are looking for accountability. They are looking for guidance. Consider building membership groups, coaching communities, mastermind groups, private AI learning communities. People often join for information, they stay for community.
Hello, professional women over 40.
Number 7. Offer AI consulting services. Businesses are looking for practical AI solutions. They need help with marketing, content creation, customer service, productivity, workflow improvements. Many business owners know AI is important. They simply need someone who can guide them through implementation. That someone could be you. Number 8. Build AI automation services. Automation is becoming one of the most valuable skills in business. Companies want to eliminate repetitive tasks. They want to save time. They want to improve efficiency. If you can help businesses automate processes, you are solving expensive problems. And solving expensive problems often leads to profitable opportunities. Number 9. White label AI software. This model is becoming increasingly popular. Instead of creating software from scratch, you can license AI-powered platforms and sell them under your own brand. This creates recurring monthly revenue, and recurring revenue creates stability and scalability. Number 10. Create AI-powered products. This may be the most exciting opportunity of all. Use AI to create educational resources, calculators, assessments, digital tools, business solutions, apps. Your knowledge combined with AI can create products that solve real-world problems, and people pay for solutions. Final thoughts. The biggest mistake professionals over 40 can make is assuming AI is only for younger people. The reality is the opposite. Experience matters, wisdom matters, professional credibility matters. AI does not replace your expertise, it amplifies it. The professionals who thrive in the next decade will combine human wisdom with artificial intelligence. The question is not whether AI will change the future. The question is how you will position yourself within it. Which of these 10 opportunities interest you most? Let me know in the comments. If you found value in this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this message. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. YouTube title ideas. 1. AI wealth creation. Blueprint, 10 ways to make money with AI in 2026. 2. Professionals over 40. Use AI to build wealth, not just save time. 3. 10 AI income streams you can start without coding. 4. The AI wealth blueprint nobody is talking about. 5. How smart professionals are building wealth with AI. AI wealth creation blueprint 10. AI income streams start today. Call to action. Download my free AI wealth creation blueprint and discover 10 practical ways to turn your experience into income using AI.